This is a Sony boombox. We plug it to the power. Press the power button. Nothing happened. So let's take it apart. Then we'll look at it. Let's check the fuse. Yep, we're going to check the fuse right there. The fuse is open. Okay. And let's check these transistors. No short in the capacitor. And we check the input diodes. No short, no short. So we have no short in this transistor. And the rectify bridge. Okay, let's see. Okay, the input of the transformer coil is still good. Yeah, still that is okay. Or this is the input, and that's the output. Alright, so I need to replace the fuse. And I need to replace that capacitor. The fuse is 2.5 amp, and the capacitor is 4700. -16 volt. Capacitor is a 16 volt. That's not the main capacitor then. Yeah, it is. Because this is a linear power supply. Yep. 4700, 16 volt. Alright, let's replace these two and we'll go from there. So we pay attention to the positive side of the capacitor. the light is on. Okay, and you can see the CD. Okay, we have the CD over there. Click play. And it's playing. But there is no sound. Yeah, the volume is all the way up. Alright, let's see the mode. Yeah, we have no sound. Why we have no sound? I think that's the sound I see is right there. Yeah, everything works. Radio work, CD work, but no sound. And if we look, so you see this gray wire. Inside it there is a white, red, and black. The wire is go over there, and that's the sound IC right there by this power board. And that's look like is the sound. Yep, that's for the sound. Okay, we're gonna use any computer speaker as an amplifier. And okay, so this one is gonna connect it anywhere on the ground.
Di alguna forma.
You hear that?
Daphne. Se llama
Yeah, I don't think the speakers go bad anyway. Yeah, usually the speakers is, I don't see the speakers go bad. Let's just test the speaker. Can use the just with the diode mode. And okay, this side of the speaker coil is not open, and this side is not open. The coil in the speaker is not open, but we have that chip is bad. Mostly the audio chip is bad. So yeah, there is two options after we get the okay from the customer about the repair. We can replace the sound IC, and that should fix the problem. Or we can put a universal amplifier board. small amplifier board. Like, how many watt is this one? This is 14 watt. Yeah, any board like 14 watt is a basic input, left and the right, and the output is gonna be, we solder the speaker to it. So yeah, let me look at that chip to see how much is it, and we'll go from there. So I search for the chip, can't find it in the DGK or Moser, and I don't have anything similar to that one here. I just have this one. 30 watt dual channel. It is a very basic. We have the input, we have the output, and we have the VCC. So we need 12 volt. We need these wires, and the wire speaker is going to be connected to here. So that's all. Yeah, I'm going to cut the 12 volt power line. That's going to the pan 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one here, and that's the line. Yep, there is no connection anymore. Alright, that's the ground side. I can solder in that wire, in that bridge. Alright, so now just the speakers left. Let's see how we're gonna connect the speakers. Yeah, this is the speakers wires. Alright, let's test it first. It works. Alright, this all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you again.